Hello. Hello, chap. Do we have anyone here? Hello. Alright, almost ready to start. Okay, let's start. Uh, alright. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Um, okay. Okay. Um, hang on. Hold on. Why isn't this letting me do stuff? It's being annoying. Got technical issues. Technical issues. Um, alright, there we go. There we go. We can start now. We can start. Okay. So, you might remember, if you were there for the last stream, we were overhauling the UI. So, before, I can just show you, it looked like this. It had these buttons there, and it was just, I don't know, just didn't really look that nice. You know, the options, that wasn't that good. But now we've made, in our second scene, our UI looks a lot cleaner. I've changed up some of the shapes. I've changed the UI buttons. They look nicer, as you can see. So if we hit play, this is our menu. It pops up instantly instead of having to wait a bit. We can make a new game. We can load some save files. We can go to options. We have our graphics settings, which I've been working on. For some reason, this is all off. We can also change the resolution. So we have the resolution and the refresh rate of the resolution. And so currently, if you also we have about this, just that link just takes you to my YouTube channel. But you see, if we press sounds at the moment, it sort of takes you to the load game menu instead of a sound settings. So for the start of this stream, we're going to be making some sounds settings. I haven't really done this before, so I'm going to be working this out as I go along. But let's just go straight into it. So, what I do know is that if you make an audio mixer, so we're going to have a master sound. And oh, what have I just made here? Okay, so can I like, so this is going to be all of them. And then can we have this one, and this one can be music. And I want to like, alright, what if I just delete that? So we just have music and sound effects. So if we do that, and we have a, okay, why this one back? Is that just like for all of them? Okay, actually. Alright, so what I think I do now is if I go to the main menu, if I select this, its output is a group. So do I want these to be... Wait, do I just make a group and call this like... Do I call this music? I make another one and I call it sound effects. I don't want it to be like... and drag it out of there. Okay, and then do I need to make a sound effects mixer there? Oh! 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 I've named this master and have groups. Name this music and this sound effects. Then if I move this down, so that should be at about 0. Oh, I don't really know what I'm doing here, but we're gonna see if this works. If I say this is music, because it is, then theoretically can't reach the mute audio button. I can't reach it because it's over there. There we go. Okay, if we play, is that gonna work? Oh yeah, because, okay, and then say if I turn the music down. If I turn the music down, I turn it, am I allowed to do that? It's not letting me. I want to turn the music down. Edit in play mode. That gets quieter. And what if I turn this down? It also gets quieter, right? And if I turn this down, nothing happens. Okay, so I think it would be more useful if we went and edited this in an actual scene, like the Crimson Forest area, because that way we can like actually test with sound effects as well. But first we should probably check some stuff as sound effects. For example, if we go like enemies and we set like the forest elemental, we go here, then we can go to the audio source and then set it as sound effects. No, I don't want to set it as mouse, I want to set it as sound effects. Okay, and I also want to do this with the butterfly spirit. We just go here and set it as sound effects. And then if I do it with a sprout monster as well, and we go set it as sound effects, and then we go to the okay, icon fly. We can set this as sound effects. And now we have to do the same with every weapon in the game. This isn't a weapon. Okay, so we just select all of them and set them all as sound effects. Yeah, that works. That's cool. Let's try this then. Let's just maximize. Okay. Let's load a save file. We'll say okay, so we're in the area. We're gonna minimize it. So this is our little game window. That's where we play. Oh yeah, I was working on that, but it's sort of, which is why it looks bad. But we're not gonna be doing that at the moment. Okay. We go to the mixes. We edit in play mode. This might be a bit annoying. Let's just hide that. Okay. So we need to go and make it so that the area music is classed as music. Okay, and if I shoot, that comes up like that. Cool. So if I put master down to like 20, should all be quieter. Yeah. Then if I put sound effects down, then that's quieter. Alright, we're getting places. This is really hard to play in, so when it's so small. It's really hard to aim. So we have the music working. So now we've just got to make it so we can edit these in the menu. Okay. So say you go into the options and you click on the, let's just duplicate this and call it audio settings and enable it. So let's delete all the options. We've got to make a new prefab out of this. Let's just go UI and drag that in. Bam. Okay, so we have audio settings. Well, that's a lot of stuff. Let's just go delete everything from options. Cool. Now we go back. So we rename this to audio settings. I'm gonna make this a bit smaller because otherwise that looks a bit bad. There we go. And alright, so we're going to remove this and add a new script which we're gonna call sound audio settings just to keep it consistent. And we're gonna open that in Visual Studio. It's gonna take a while to open up though. Here it goes. Come on. Here we are. Okay. Alright, so what we want to do is okay. So we want to have a new function. So void on volume slider changed. I'm just gonna do that. And let's make it so we can take in a string called type. So this is going to be 3 types. Either going to be music, it could be sound effects, or it could be master. First, we need to make some variables. So we're going to have public slider here using Unity engine dot UI. Public slider, we're gonna have a music slider. Public slider sound effects, and public slider master. Okay. And we're gonna make this public so we can access it. Okay. So whenever we change the things, what things? Okay, so whenever we change the volume slider, what we want to do is, well, change the volume. So we can go like for mixer, can we get mixer mix using Unity engine dot mixer sound audio? Does that work? Can we just go mixer audio mixer? There we go. Okay, dot set, no, can I just go like that? Okay, public class. It's not a static, so we can't just reference it. Is it a component? I think it's a component. Yeah, so the way to reference this would be the public audio mixer. Is that how we do things? Okay, so let's go check by putting in an audio mixer on this component here. Can we make it audio mixer? That's the thing we can put on. Honestly, I have absolutely no idea what I'm trying to do here. Do I need a... What do I need to do? What do I need to do? What are snapshots? What are these? A snapshot is a set of values for all parameters in the mixer. When using the mixer, you modify the parameters in the selected snapshot. Blend between multiple snapshots at runtime. That doesn't... Still confused. It's views. Oh, come on. A view is the saved visibility state of the current mixer groups. Okay. Alright. What do you mean inactive? Well, okay. Okay, I think that is how it works though. But do we need to like mixer equals new audio mixer? That's what it would be like that. Is that how it works? What do you want me to put in it? What arguments do you want me to put in? Okay, how about okay, BRB go watch a Brachy's tutorial, I guess. Oh, I think I've just understood. So we don't need that. What we do need here it is. Move this into resources. And then we go to here and we just drag this in. There we go, that's how you do it. So then we want to set float. See, so we've got to give it a name. So we want to change type, and then we want to give it a value of, let's just say, oh, you know what, let's just go master volume, and then we don't need to give it a parameter. We can just type in just go master and then give it the value. We can just go master dot value, and then we can also go, yeah, no, that's it, public void music volume, and then the same here pretty much. Excuse me, why didn't you like do the thing? There we go. So if we just paste this in there and change the name to music, and change this to music.value, and then we can just do the same, public void just go the sound effects volume. Oop. And oops, accidentally copied nothing. And should work. Should work, probably won't. Okay. Okay. I'm a professional streamer. I can prove this because of how many people are saying stuff in my chat. Look at how many people are in the chat. There are hundreds of people in my chat. Hundreds. See? Look. Hello, I am hundreds of people. That definitely wasn't me, by the way. Definitely not. You see, that was just someone else. Hello, I am hundreds of people. That's just gonna stay there now. Like eternity. I'll tell you what, with the stream label, we'll go and change this to something like most recent subscriber. Well, about how many subscribers we've gotten this week. 3. No, I don't like that number. Let's go with just the most recent subscriber. And we can... And so that gives anyone who's actually watching a reason to subscribe, because they get their name on the stream until someone else subscribes. Yeah. That's why you should definitely subscribe. Okay. So we are going to... okay. So, we've got to go make some sliders. Go. UI. A slider. We're gonna call it a slider, or like sauce. So this is the master. We're gonna make it wide, tall, about 50. Gonna make this 750. Okay, and then here, so the maximum is 20, and the minimum is -80. Okay, so let's fix up some of the, because this slider looks kinda ew, if you know what I'm saying. So what we're gonna do is make it look better. By turning things into boxes. We make this a box, and we make the background a box. We'll make it slightly less colorful box. And we'll make the fill area the bright pink we use for the color scheme. Cool, so now if we were to like scroll, bam, that looks pretty good. Now let's add some text to show that this is the settings for the master volume. So if we go text and we just go write master, we're gonna move it up a bit and write master. I'm gonna make the font our cooler font and set text to be at the bottom of the text box. Okay. I'll also center it as the center button. And I'm just being blind. Okay, here it is. Okay, then we're just gonna duplicate this, move it down a bit. Okay, of course, this isn't going to be the master, this is going to be music. So we rename both of them to music, and we select this one, and that's the wrong one. This one is music. And we duplicate them, and move them down. Till they look about even. Yep. And these ones is the sound effects. So we name this one sound effects. I move the text box a bit because otherwise that's just not very good. Okay. Okay. Ah. Okay, so now we have the 3 volume sliders. We just gotta actually get them to do stuff. for the master slider, we get this one. Just go drag in options and do where's it gone? Master volume. Then we do the same for music, options, audio settings, music volume, and then we do the same for sound effects. We don't want to drag that in, we drag in options and we tell it to change the sound effect volume. Hopefully this works. Hopefully. Okay. That's not really doing anything. Oh right, we've forgotten to put in a... Oh, okay. This is the master, this is the music, and this is the sound effects. Here we go. Oh, we have to do a thing. Okay. Okay. What do we do about that? What do we do about that? How do we expose a parameter? Okay, time to Google this. Audio mixer, how to expose parameter. Uh, hmm. Do I just like... Hmm. What does B do? Okay, bypass effects. I'm looking everywhere, but I can't find it. In order to access the volume levels of your music and sound effects group, you need to expose those parameters. To do this, first select the music group. So we'll just select it. And then inspector, it says right click the volume field. Huh. Rename this to music. So that's how you do that. Let's do it with all of them. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Right click, oh, this select music. Select this, expose. Just rename it to sound effects. And then we get the master. You right click, expose. we rename and call it master. That was very that was not very, what's the word? What am I looking for? Intuitive. So if I just drag that down. Whoa, that gets very loud for a second. Ah, that is very loud. You know what? We're just gonna put the maximum of these sliders at 10 probably. Or maybe even 0. Because otherwise that's very loud. Ah. Okay. Let's set the minimum value, the maximum value of the master slider to 0. So this would be the maximum volume. What's my system volume at? Oh, it's not even full. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, I just realized you can't even say this because I have this desktop volume off. There you go, now you can hear this at full volume. Have fun. Okay, ready? Ready? Just wait for it to load. Your ears are gonna die. No, we're not having it that loud. No chance. No chance. Why is the minimum value of the be minus 80? That's better. Alright, so now this is max volume. So we can like just make it so you can hear us there. Alright. Alright, what I want to know is, does this stay when you load a game? So if I go play Crimson Forest, there should be, yeah, okay, it works, it works, it works, it works. Cool. Cool. Very cool. Right, let's see, we have 0 concurrent viewers. The most viewers we've had at one time is 2. This stream's been terrible. Where is everyone? I have no friends. Americas. So yeah, we have the audio settings window done. If we press back. Okay, cool, that works, that works, that works. And with that, I think the UI is done. So we can play. We have new game, load game, options, graphics. Why are the graphics settings gone? Have I deleted them? Why are they gone? Why are they gone? Did I delete them? Wait. Here it is. Here's the prefab. I think I accidentally deleted it. No. No, I accidentally deleted it. No. No, I have to do that again. If there's anyone watching this, can we have some F's in chat? Of course I deleted it. Of course. This makes me sad. Urgh. Urgh. Alright, guess I have to make that again. Alright, can we get the original? Just gotta go. And gotta find it. Probably in like, probably something in here. No. I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. I'm just hoping there's something in here, some older version of this. No, there's gotta be something on like. Okay, what if we go to the original title screen? Menu panels, graphics. Does this have options? Yes, this is something. This is something. That's better than nothing. Just gonna paste that in. No, no, not in there. Just gonna paste that in here. Move it up. Rename this one to full screen. Change the text to full screen. Change the font. Change the font. Change the font again. Now we have to go and now we have to cancel. We have to go and change the image. And I'm gonna go change the check mark to that. And Then, okay, we're gonna do it for the rest of them. This is why you make backups. And then we go change. Where's the X mark on? There it is. Bleh. Gonna change this. Cool, we've done that. You know what we have to do now? It's gonna come as a big surprise. Ready? Okay, we just have to, after we put in the toggle boxes, put them all in. Now we have to click on them. We have to drag in this, and then we have to go graphics manager, and we edit settings, and we do that for all of them. But of course, they're gonna they are going to default to what they were before in the other ones, so we don't really have to worry about this. We have to change this one though, because this wasn't in the old one. The old one just had disable rendering as a joke. We changed this to full screen. And now we go UI and we create a drop down, and we name it resolution. And now we have to go and change everything. Drop down arrow, more like this one. And then we have to go and change move this, set that to none, set the viewport. Actually no, that's meant to be a UI mask. Change the item background. We change that. Okay, no, that's none. That's good. We change this to this, and we change this to our cool font, and then we change this to our cool font, and we find the scroll bar, and we change this to box, and then we go and change the handle of the scroll bar to the font, and we make the color a little bit darker so you can see it, and then we make the color of the background a bit darker. This is a lot of effort. Bam, now we have the options. Wow. Wow. When the imposter is sus. No one's gonna see that in the actual game. That'll be replaced with the resolution text. That's just gonna be a placeholder. Now we drag this in. That should be done. That should automatically default to it. Okay. Let's just move this over there. Bam, look at that. We've got all the things. It's all there. Okay. Alright, now I just have to move the resolution thing. It's centered. Move it down to about there. Make it long. Doesn't need to be taller. Okay. Alright, well, I mean, that works, I guess. Also, just a reminder, subscribe. I need subscribers. Because, also, by the way, if you haven't noticed, that text in the bottom corner should be around here. Yeah. Yeah, that's my most recent subscriber. So if you subscribe, that could be your name for a while. And it will probably be a long while, because I'm a small YouTuber. I don't get subscribers very often. So you might be there for like a month or something. I don't think it changes if you can type in chat, then if you subscribe your name will appear there. I think you need to have like a channel or something associated with your account. I think that's how it works. I'm gonna have a water break. I'm gonna mute my mic so you have to hear me drinking. Okay. Okay. This was working, right? Okay, cool, it is. I want to change the scroll speed of that because that's a bit slow. This should be a lot faster, right? That doesn't even do anything. What have I done? That better? Oh, that's terrible. I set it to it does nothing. What if I set it to 11? There's nothing. Why is it so slow? What does value do? Is that how much it scrolls? If I set it to 1, does it appear at the bottom? No. Oh. I don't think it does anything. Oh, here it is. Scroll sensitivity. Let's just put that up to 10. That's better. That's better. Now it doesn't just not move. It's a lot better. Let's go. And with that, I think I can now say the UI is done. With the title screen at least. Play, new game, load game, options, graphics, sound. Oh, okay. I mean, fair enough. I haven't actually set that. Options, hub, sound button. I just gotta make that open the audio settings tab. Game object dot set I can't speak now. Set active. Here we go. Graphics, sound. Can't actually hear any changes from that. And quit. Do you wanna quit? Yes. Doesn't actually do anything because we can't quit the editor from the script. Okay. Although I think it should just stop, like, unplay the game. Press the, like, be the equivalent of just pressing this button while it's running. So, that text right? Yep. Wait, is there post-processing in this scene? Is post-processing? Yeah, that is. For this scene, I would just want to create a new profile. And make a new one. Oh, hurry up. Did it create a new one? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let's just add override post-processing. Let's add some motion blur. Quality high. Intensity. Yeah. Add override. Let's add some let's add a vignette. Intensity. What does this look like? What if I turn the motion blur intensity all the way up? That's not really adding anything. Let's remove it. Okay. Let's add some, like, I want to add, like, depth of field mode. This one seems cool. I want to make the title screen look sort of like it. I don't really know how to explain it. Is that doing anything? Is that doing anything? Oh, that makes it blurry. Oh, that's like makes the background. That's the effect that makes the background blurry, isn't it? just zoom in and put it in 3D mode. Oh. So yeah, I want it to be like 2. Would that make the background blurry? If I choose this one. Start at 2. Or at 1. 4. If I choose this one, it is at position 2, so I want it to start about 2. 2. 3. I don't know, that's not really working for me. Let's try something different then. Film grain. This might work. What types are there? Large. Don't really see much. Alright. What else is there? Color adjustments. I want to make it a bit more vibrant, maybe. Maybe saturation. Oh wait, that could actually be cool. Oh, that's really cool. I like that. Let's make that -90. I said -90. So you can just barely see the color. That's really cool. I like that idea. I'll also add a bit of contrast. Like that. What does post-exposure do? That. And now I want to make the vignette more intense. More smooth. And just check around. Oh, that. I don't like that. Oh, I have some Discord pings. Let's see. Well, what do you think of the new title screen? This looks pretty good. I sort of like the feel of it. It matches the game's lore, I guess. Yeah, well, Okay. All right. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is actually I might end the stream here. Alright, let me just change the title of this. There we go, that makes more sense, I guess. Okay. Okay, so let's just do this. Alright. We have 2 viewers. I've had like no one on the stream for the entire time. What have I done wrong? But like, well, we've made some good progress on the title screen, I guess. Actually, you know what we should do? Alright, if I just go this. This is my music software thing I use. And what we're gonna do is remake the title screen theme. It's on the other monitor, hang on. Here we go. Alright, this here is something I've been working on for the Snowflake Cliffs. It's not even in the game yet. I haven't even started working on it yet. But like, here it is. It's kind of rolling down a bit. But yeah, that's it. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Alright, I'll be back. Back. Hello. Do we have anyone here? We're going back to this. Working on the new theme, so we're gonna hit new. Cool. So I want to try and make it feel kind of sad. Because, like, look at the title screen. Look at how sad and grey and dull this looks. That is what I want to make. Something that would go with that. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go into my presets. Okay, that's what I want, just less loud. Make that a bit longer. Okay. Does this get really loud very fast? It does. Okay, that's about the maximum volume it gets. Okay. Alright, how's this? Wait, I just remembered an old thing I made that we could definitely use. Um, just put that on my other screen. If I go here, projects, there's nothing that, oh, I know why. Documents, element S, project. Here we go. This isn't from an old game I used to work on. Alright. This is what sort of listens sounds like. I'm gonna remove the fade in there. Alright. What does this one do? Oh, that enables echo. So, alright, we'll just listen for a bit. That adjustment sounds terrible. Okay, that should be better. Oh, yeah, that's good. We'll just use that. We'll just use this. Just export it as dread.ogg. And I'll just export as new. Let's go. Export it. I think this is gonna fit the theme of the new title screen really well. And I think this new title screen is gonna fit the theme of the game really well. Oh yeah, also, something I kinda wanna show someone. There's an old build of the game I found. I go into builds, windows. This one. Alright, when this opens. This was one I didn't actually get to cover in the playing all my versions, the older versions of my game, which I definitely should have covered this. Oh wait, I didn't because it's got illegal music. That's right. I completely forgot about that. But look at that old title screen thing. You're not allowed to. We don't talk about the secret music. We don't talk about the old placeholder music. Actually, I'll link it in the description. Actually, no, I won't, because it'll take a lot of effort to find. And you barely heard any of it, so we can just pretend that didn't happen. Okay. That's exported. Let's drop that into Unity now. No, I've got to find it. Gotta find it. Here we go. Wait, what's this? Title screen remake? Oh, I remember when I did this. Yeah, no, I was just messing around. That was very good. Dread new .ogg. Drag it in. Here it is. Ready? New title screen. This fits very well. I like this. Let's finish with this then, shall we? Wait, you can't hear it. Just realized I've had the desktop muted for a while. Oh, whoops, my bad.